Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, another new AI tool review. The tool we are going to talk today about is Summarize.tech, which is a AI powered video summary tool. So friends, lots of times you'll have, here as you've seen some events or some government meetings or for that matter any lectures and all, wherein their videos are quite long, maybe half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. So if you want to know what the speaker has been saying and all, you need to watch the entire video so that you don't miss the important part. So cut short, summarize.tech, what you need to do, you just paste this particular link of this video and it's going to summarize it for you. It's going to give you time slots wherein you can straight away jump to that particular context of that particular video. So before I can proceed, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you've not done yet, please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you can get most of the update. So coming to this website, it is straight away a clean website. There is no need for sign up and all. Straight away you can get your job done. So let's go ahead and hunt some video. Actually I was my finance. Okay, I think I already have that thing open over here. So this was one tutorial video of Binance which was there. So yeah, here's the link. So this was about how you can do Binance grid trading using their bot. Now as you can see, the time, it's more than half an hour long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just come and paste the URL of this video. You can do for any such video and you click on submit. So once you click on submit, you can see within a few seconds it's going to summarize this particular thing for you. So first and foremost, you can see it summarizes you in text. So if you see the YouTube video titled Binance Grid Trading Bot Tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to setting up, trading, reviewing the Binance Grid Trading Bot. The video explains that a bot allows traders to trade on Binance and earn profits without manual intervention. The tutorial covers various aspects of the bot, including setting up the grid, adjusting leverage settings, managing risks, setting stop losses. The video also demonstrates the grid trading process on the Binance mobile app and showcases the results of the bot trades. In conclusion, the video encourages viewers to subscribe to the channel. Of course, anyone would like that. I like this particular part, for more informative content, and provides instructions on how to terminate the bot if desired. Now, so you can see in a nutshell, within 5 lines, it has summed up the 35 minutes video, and this is exactly what this particular video is about. Now supposing you want more details, what you need, you just need to click more over here and you can see with timestamps over here at 0 what it starts, for 0 to 5 minutes. This is what in this section the YouTuber introduces the topic of Binance grid trading, explains that a bot allows to trade on Binance 24/7 on profits. Now say on the 5 minutes, in this section the user discusses the trading range of a particular cryptocurrency and determines the top and bottom. Now if you want to miss the sort of introduction and go over here, so let's click on this link and it will open the YouTube video straight away.
Will AI take your job away? This is one question that I've been asked probably 100 times because AI tools are all over the place right.
So you see straight away at 5 minutes,
So
wherein
the highest range is 41 and the lowest range is.
So you can see here I'm talking about the high and low range
So probably
of this particular
trade in that range, or like you can see here.
So that's what it's talking about. Let's close this window. We move ahead further. In this section, the speaker discusses the leverage settings. So let's click on 10. So you can see we've come on 10 minutes.
You can choose a lot average. People choose up to 3x, 4x, 5x. So you can see when you go around 25.
So here we are discussing about the leverage settings for the trade, and straight away you can see it has summarized for you that I'm talking about the leverage settings. On the 15th minute, in this section, the speaker discusses the settings of the Binance grid trading bot. So these are the general settings over here. I'm so sorry, we'll just need to probably go back into the settings, grid trading. So you can see here I'm talking about the general settings over here. and further its details of the settings over here. And 25, in this section the video demonstrates the grid trading bottom. They show the grid status, navigate to different tabs. In this section of the video, that is the 30th, discusses the results. So let's go over here.
Total trade match. So out of 17 trades, 12 have been matched.
So that's what it says. Out of 17, 12 have been matched.
Each match trade
so it's talking here. I'm talking about
profit.
The results of the grid
trading.
There
can be a buy first and sell later, or a sell first
and
or buy
it
later.
summarized that way. So you can see it's beautifully doing its job. And something I don't know, like you could probably use it in your old video. Of course, the use case is very much known, I know, and beautifully done here. And one of the more interesting AI tools which I have recently reviewed, they also have a premium purchase over here. Now you can see the free version has a daily limit of just a few videos a day. Premium has no daily limits, and you can summarize up to 200 videos a month, and it costs $10 per month, which you can cancel anytime. So it's up to you whether you want to do more videos per month. Then you need to upgrade. But in a nutshell, a beautiful tool, and I surely recommend it. And I would like to know your views, how you would be using this particular video, if at all. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do like this video, share this across, and a humble request, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.